Hello all. In this video I am going to explain one more question of inverse variation. Okay, so in this question it's given that 6 cows graze a field in 28 days. Means in 28 days 6 cows they graze the field. Okay, charte hain. Grazing means charna. Okay, how long would 14 cows take to graze the same field? And if we increase the number of cows, that is, it increases to from 6 to 14. Okay, how many days they will take to graze the same entire field? Okay, so let's see what are the two quantities that we have to consider here. Here it is given 6 cows graze a field in 28 days. It means we have to consider first quantity as number of cows and the second quantity as number of days. So let's see how it is a question from inverse variation. So children, when there are 6 cows, they take 28 days to complete. And when we increase the number of cows, okay, from 6 to 14, so they will take lesser time in order to graze the entire field. Definitely, okay, because more the number of cows, lesser will be the number of days in order to graze the field. So it means that one quantity is increasing, the other quantity is decreasing, and that is why it is an inverse variation. Okay, so here the quantities that we have to consider, two variables that we have to consider is number of cows and number of days. Okay, number of cows, you can take it as x, and number of days as y. So x1, that is number of cows, is given as 6, and they are grazing the entire same field in 28 days. Take it as y1. Okay, then when we increase the number of cows from 6 to 14, consider it as x2, what will be the number of days that the cows will take to graze the same field? Okay, so x1 we have 6, y1 we have 28, x2 we have 14. We have to find out y2. Okay, so as it is an inverse variation, so x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. So we have x1 as 6, y1 as 28 is equal to x2 as 14, and y2 we don't know. We have to find this variable only. Okay, 14 is multiplied here. When we will come to this side, it is going to divide the numbers on the other side. Okay, so it will be 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, and 6 into 2, 12. So it will be y2 will be 12 days. Okay, so 14 cows will take only 12 days to graze the same entire field, isn't it? So when the number of cows increases or increase, this number of days it decreases. Okay.